Make Vignette Effect with lens correction. Welcome to another quick Photoshop tutorial. Today we will show you how to add Vignette Effect to your photograph. It's really useful for portrait photography. Earlier we showed you how to do this with camera raw filter. You can also make this effect using lens correction. Lens correction has a lot of great features, but for this tutorial we will only use Vignette Effect. So let's make Vignette Effect with lens correction in 2 minutes. Thanks for being a quick learner. We upload new Photoshop tutorials for you every week. Stay with us and learn with fun.